Hey guys, it's Clint for Kuvings Commercial Kitchen, and I'm very excited today to be introducing our brand new commercial blender CB1000. This is the world's first automatic blender where staff or yourself can easily push one button and walk away and come back and it's done. Best thing is, this thing will automatically lower, vacuum, blend, and then raise the lid when it's all done and ready so you can get to other tasks as well as customers. The jug has a capacity of 1.9 litres. It has a measurement of 1.4, and everything about the CB1000 is fully controllable. You can control the pulsing, the recipes. We have up to 40 different recipes that is pre-done, and you can fully customize 5 of those recipes for you too. Now, when you make a regular smoothie, it's kind of like making an omelette. All the blades are whipping air through the ingredients, and that's a very airy smoothie. But when you do a vacuum, you take that ability away and it just makes it as it should be, a proper smoothie with no air bubbles, and the taste is just phenomenal. I can't wait for you guys to experience it. We have the ability to control the vacuuming. We don't have to do it. We get to do it anytime we want. We also have the ability to turn on automatic opening and lowering of the lid too. We have a quick start button, which makes it super easy for staff to just hit the button and come back 24 seconds later to a beautiful, delicious smoothie. The motor is a fully powerful 1700 watts. It has 3 vacuum pumps inside of it and will quickly vacuum the whole jug in little as 7 seconds. Our customers asked for faster, stronger, and quieter, and we've delivered. And one of the best features about this blender, it's quiet. With the new soundproof enclosure and it's operating, you can have a normal conversation with your staff and your customers without having to shout. All right, so let's do a quick little demonstration on the noise. Let's hear the difference between the sound cover open and down. As you can tell, there is a noticeable difference between that sound enclosure up and down. Kuvings being the innovators of everything commercial kitchen, we have changed the jug. This is brand new for the world, where we have made an asymmetrical base. What this allows is for no ingredient to hide. With other blenders, you can get those certain bits of nuts or seeds sometimes stuck and it doesn't blend. With this, nothing hides. All the high quality materials inside this blender, including the jugs, are all BPA free. Our new CB1000 was designed specifically for Australian cafes. We know the heavy duty desire that you guys need, not just for your customers and your recipes, but your staff. So, cool thing about this blender is that when it lowers down and does a vacuum sucking, it actually locks the jug in place to prevent moving and staff banging everything, and that obviously takes away a lot of pressure on the drive coupling, the motor, and all the parts. Cool thing about this blender is that everything can be taken off and cleaned effortlessly. The whole vacuum lid comes off, as well as all the base rubbers as well too. We can take them off and have a nice little clean at the end of every single day. So this is our new CB1000. We are super excited to have launched it to the Australian market. And if you have any questions, please reach out to our team. We're happy to go through everything and even potentially do a demonstration at your venue or even do a Zoom call too. Looking forward to speaking soon.